Hello everyone, my name is Novalinda Batuk. Today I will present a segment by Miss Kala about my topic is favorite song. My favorite song is Gabungan Matahari by Salpras Priyadi. This song tells the story of someone who has gone and cannot come back. The singer expressed his deep longing by saying, maybe you call apart today and even you don't look the same, you can be the sunflower. Those words saw a strong hope to see the person again, even in a different form. Every time I listen this song, I remember my parents who have passed away. The song makes me feel emotional, but it also gives me comfort because it reminds me of them in gentle way. The melody is soft, and the lyrics are very touching. Lyrics make the song feel warm and meaningful. That is why Galam Matahari is very special to me. Thank you everyone, and thank you for watching.